guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and today I'm just coming to you with a quick little project share. I'm actually working on a couple of embellishments, and I picked up these little dies, and some of you may be recognizing them as the little Polkadoodle Winnie girls. So anyway, I wasn't sure if I was actually even going to like them, so I only have two here, but I gave them a try, and I have to say I'm really happy with them. So I'm going to walk you through the ones that I've made. I've used a series of different papers that I had in my stash, and I also colored them with alcohol markers, and then I made my own little drawings for the eyes, as I like to do, for a couple of reasons. Number one, because the pieces were so small, and for the other reason was because I wanted to give them a particular look. I don't know. And so drawing it allowed me to do that. So this little one here is the little ballerina, and they're not perfect, but this was my first go around. And I did use some paper that already had glitter sort of foiling on it, but then I added Nouveau drops, if you can see there, and that's a really soft pink. And then I also added Nouveau drops on the top of her little crown. So the entire thing is pieced, and so you assemble it as you wish. I mean, you can tilt the hair a little bit here and there. And then this one here, I have to show you guys. I wanted to play around with the Nouveau gilding flakes. So what I thought was to make it easy on myself that I would choose something small to play with, because they can kind of fly all over the place. So what I did was that I gilded her little shoes and purse, and it's not perfect, but it adds a little shine there. And I just thought it was so precious. And now for her, I did adhere the eyes on her face, but it's the same color as the dress. So this little butterfly here, I also glimmered up with Nouveau glitter pens, and I added some gilding and then the little flower in the center, and that was given to me by Carolyn. So thank you so much, Carolyn. I wanted to see if that size would look okay on her, and I'm quite pleased. So throughout, you're going to see a lot of different little details here and there, but I kept them with almost all the same colors. Here I've used Nouveau drops again, and these are the, these are the jewel drops. So, and then another little flower there that Carolyn gave me. So that's what she looks like. And then for the cheeks, I actually used, well, on some of them I used alcohol markers, but some of them I used, let me see here, it's called pearlescent chalks. This one's one of my favorites. So as you can tell, I used a little Martha Stewart punch that I have for the little butterfly, and then I added the little purple flower, and she's all dressed up and ready to go. So sweet. And then this one here, I actually gave her a little bit of depth there in the coloration of her hair by using alcohol markers, and then I also used the chalk, the pearl chalk. So she's missing a little bling here that I'm going to finish her up with, and I just think they're adorable. Here's another one, and I try to give them all different color hair, because I love to, make them look varied, not everyone the same. And that's kind of what appealed to me about these little girls. And this one, she's wearing an earring, and then what I did was here in the center, I mixed the Nouveau drops and gave her a little embellishment there. And I also used Nouveau drops on the shoes and purse. And here, this one, she got the bedazzle treatment. That's what I'm calling it. I just got playing around with those Nouveau drops, and I was having fun, so I decided, you know what, it would be awesome if she had a bunch of little pearls in her hair, so I just went with it. And of course the intention behind these is to use them in different projects, so that's why I wanted to make sure that they were different. And this one's very delicate. I love the way she looks. They just have this little innocence about them that is very, very endearing. So I think I'm gonna continue on with the rest of them because you can mix and match them. And of course this was my first go around with them. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like them, but I think they're adorable. And you know, I see these things in websites and such, and I'm like, I don't know, would I play with that? And with these I'm quite pleased, especially since, I don't know if I showed you guys this one, you can give them volume by twisting the paper. So I don't know if you could see there. So they don't have to be completely flat, and that was something that appealed to me. And what I did with this one, of course, is I switched the hair that normally goes on this little girl, and then I just gave that same hairstyle to this the little ballerina. And so I'm looking forward to playing around a little more. Let me know your thoughts. Of course, I would love to know if you've enjoyed this video, and hopefully you can be inspired and be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.